everyone, here is Gigi again. Today we would like to explain what's different between slush, smoothie, shake, and frappe. And we also will tell you which kind of icy drink we can easily find in the bubble tea shop. First, we describe what is smoothie. Smoothie are a drink filled with a variety of fresh fruit and vegetables of your choice. Some people will add yogurt and milk at the best. Its texture creamy and sticky. The slush, made with nearly frozen sugar syrup, but crystally as juice. It comes in very bright article colors. Slush can also include fruit puree, but are generally less nutritious as smoothie. Slush texture icy and granularly with more refreshing feel than creamy. Shakes start off as milkshake, so mostly made from milk and ice cream, and can contain syrup or fruit. Milkshake is the creamiest one with the rich flavor due to the ice cream. For the last one, frappe, is typically come with coffee and tea. The word frappe originates from French and it means shaky and stirring. It will later extend to a noun meaning frozen drink. The easy way to make frappe is combine coffee, milk, ice cube in the blender and adjust to different flavors like mocha frappe or caramel frappe are easy to find in cafe. Some bubble tea shops also include the coffee element, so you can find frappe in this kind of comprehensive store. However, which one is the easy to find in the bubble tea shop? The answer is slush, but some bubble tea would combine with smoothie to get more healthy choice. So today we will show how to make some fruity slush and smoothie. Recipe, you can change any kind of fruit syrup as you prefer. Short tutorial video today. So if you want to know how to make smoothie and frappe by the flavor powder, you can click the link below to know more information. It's glad to see you again.